Today's video is regarding HP Deskjet 2332 printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer and go to the front chamber here. So open this door and below that you will see there is another door and you have to open it. Wait for the ink cartridges to move and come into the middle. Now replace them. So it's very easy. Press it down and just take it out. Now install the new ink cartridges. So black will go to the black side. So hold the printer with the other hand and push it in. You hear a lock sound, that means your cartridge is installed properly. So slide it in and push it in. Close the ink cartridge chamber door and now you are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.